Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back. I'm so happy to have you guys here today. Today I'm going to be doing a Boxy charm unboxing. I have never done one of these before. I just got a subscription last month and I actually did it right at the end of July, so they sent me 2 boxes. I only have the July box here, so I'm going to unbox that one for you guys today. And before we get into the video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So here's the box. I have not opened it yet. I'm so excited. It took a lot of restraint. I just got it this morning, but I wanted to rip it open as soon as I got it. But I didn't, so I can open it with you guys. I also don't know what's in here because I did not go on the website and like read the little list, because it does tell you what you could possibly get in your box. Okay, so I just destroyed the box trying to open it. But let's see what we got here. I'm so excited about this. I have never had one of these, like I said. I was doing the Ipsy bag for a while, but you only get these little tiny samples, which I guess is good if you just wanted to try it once or twice. But I feel like you only pay $10 more for this and you get 4 to 5 full-size items, which is super exciting. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the first thing that I pulled out here is the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I love face masks, so I'm so excited to try this. So that's what it looks like right there. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. And the MSRP is $35, so that's a pretty good deal, I would say. I paid $20 US for this whole box, so pretty exciting. Can't wait to try that. Oh, it smells really good, super fresh. The next thing I got in my box is the Cleansing Spa Water by Cogendo. They're wipes, I believe. Let's see. These convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloths remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. MSRP is 17 bucks. So that's what those look like. I don't usually use like face wipes and stuff like that, but I'm excited to try these for sure. So the next thing I got in the box is these 3 brushes by Boxy. So that's what the brushes look like. So it says, create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Boxy brush set. Apply foundation with the Boxy 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Boxy 250 large eye blending brush and precisely apply color to your crease with the Boxy 246 precision crease brush. So this is the eye blending brush. It feels so nice. That is the eye blending brush. It feels so nice. And then we have the foundation brush. Again, I don't usually use brushes for my foundation. I usually use like a sponge. But I feel like this would be really nice for like getting up under the eye to do concealer, like blending your concealer. So I'll definitely be trying that. And then we have the precision crease brush, which is super cute, very tiny. And I feel like I would just use this for my inner corner, just putting on like a little pop of highlighter or whatnot on my inner corner. So I'm excited to try those. I have a lot of brushes, but you can never have too many. So next up, ooh, I got the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Santorini. That's what that looks like. Completely out of my comfort zone, but I think it would be super cute for fall. I'll give you guys a little swatch here. I'm not good at swatching, but so that's the shade right there. Santorini, super cute. Again, not in my comfort zone, but I'm more than willing to try it. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so last but not least, I have the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. So that's what the outside, the packaging is beautiful. And then inside, oh, look at these colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So look how beautiful those colors are. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow, but again, I will definitely be trying this. Let's see the shade Diva. Oh my goodness. I just swatched the shade Diva right there. I'm so sorry. Shitty swatches, you can't really see, but I'm gonna do a better swatch here. My camera's about to die, so I'm rushing. Look at that beautiful color payoff. Stunning. I'm so excited. This is beautiful. This is definitely like in my comfort zone for color-wise. I don't like bright, bold colors on myself personally. I think they're beautiful, but just not on me. So I will be definitely trying this, and I'm so excited. Again, there's the packaging. Alright, so this was a short and sweet video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will be trying again to keep up with the once a week videos. I skipped last week, but I was super busy. Again, I'm not trying to give excuses, but I will try to be posting a video once a week. Yeah, that was everything for my Boxy Charm box. Short and sweet video, but I really hope you guys liked it. Again, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love it if you guys would stick around, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.